In this video, I am going to show you how to close ad accounts of TikTok. To reduce noise and save space in your business center, you can choose to close ad accounts that you no longer use. To be able to close an ad account in Business Center, this ad account needs to be owned by your business center, to be in the approved status, and to not have any overdue bills, and not have any active campaigns for the last 72 hours. Once closed, any remaining balance from the ad account will be transferred to Business Center. To close an ad account in Business Center, go to Advertiser Accounts and click on Ad Account in Business Center that you'd like to close. Find and click on the Close icon in the top right. Click Confirm in the pop-up window to close the account. The ad account will be closed and hidden from the ad account list, and you will be able to see it when filtering the ad accounts by disapproved account status. And that's it, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.